would need a transport, whether it be to dialysis or a doctor appointment. If they're bedbound or if their family member is bedbound, they can contact us and we can transport them. I want everybody to know that you have a choice in who transports your loved ones. So we want American Heritage to be that choice for you.
Tell us a little bit more about that concussion awareness and prevention program.
Absolutely. We partner with CDC and DHEC. I visited several schools recently, but I'd like to visit them all. So any coach or athletic director that's out there that would like to get some of our resources or have me come out and talk with them, please contact my office and we'll be more than happy to come out. If we can save one athlete from a concussion, then all our efforts would be worth it. But how amazing would it be if we could save all the athletes?
That's right, Jay, and we really appreciate American Heritage Ambulance being a part of our Bojangles Thursday Night Lights, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
Darren?
Thanks to both of you. Concussion's so much a part of the news now as we learn more and more about them, so with luck, everyone will heed his advice. We also like to highlight student athletes every week, so we are going to do that right now. Our Piggly Wiggly Scholar Athletes of the Week. We will start with Colleton County. Stuart Palmer Bailey, a 3.8 GPA. He is active with American League Palmetto Boys and the National Honor Society. He's also the student body president. That's Stuart Palmer Bailey. And for Cane Bay, it is Jonathan Edwards. His GPA is what Nate's was, a 4.42. He's involved with plenty of out-of-school activities, including Relay for Life, and very active in his church. Your Piggly Wiggly Scholar Athletes of the Week. Piggly Wiggly Carolina Company continuing our 65-year commitment of giving back and supporting folks in our local area. Stand with us, and together, we can be local since forever. Be your chance to text your vote as halftime continues, presented by American Heritage Ambulance.